Everyone's talking about AI, but very few are actually using it to make money. The truth? AI is already creating thousands of new income streams. And in this video, I'll break down 5 powerful ways you can make money with AI in 2025. No coding, no tech degree, just tools you can start using today. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a bonus method that could literally build you a passive income stream on autopilot. Freelancing with AI. The first method is freelancing with AI. Right now, businesses pay thousands of dollars for copywriting, blogs, emails, product descriptions, even ad scripts. But here's the secret. AI tools like GPT-5, Jasper, and Copy.ai can do 80% of the work for you, faster. Example, on Fiverr, copywriters are charging $50 to $200 per article. With AI, you can create that in under 30 minutes. Here's the step-by-step guide to this in real life. Pick a niche: health, finance, tech, real estate. Use GPT-5 to draft content. Edit it for style and originality. Deliver polished work, right pointing arrow profit. The key is not to just copy, paste AI output. Think of AI as your co-writer. You polish it, you brand it, and clients will love you for the speed and quality. AI automation agency. The second method is building an automation agency. This is where the big money starts. The problem with this is that businesses waste hours on repetitive tasks, emails, data entry, customer support. To avoid that problem, use tools like Zapier, GPT-5, and Perplexity AI automate these tasks. Here is the pricing example. Charge $500 to $2,000 per month to set up and manage automation. A guy in New York set up AI customer support bots for local restaurants, answering menus, hours, and bookings, and makes $5,000 per month on retainer. This is scalable. Once you learn to build one automation, you can sell it to 10, 20, or even 50 businesses. iDesign and AMP, video services. The third method is creative services with AI. Canva Magic Studio, Runway Gen-2, and MidJourney are changing the game. Here are some examples. Logos for startups. Social media posts. Short promo videos. Now to price these, you charge $50 to $300 per project on Fiverr or Upwork. One freelancer scaled to $10,000 per month just by making YouTube thumbnails with AI tools like MidJourney and Canva. Think about it. Every business needs design, ads, and video, but not every business can hire an agency. That's where you come in. AI in trading and AMP. Investing. Method number 4. Trading with AI tools. Now, this is higher risk, so I'm not giving financial advice. But here's what's happening. AI tools can read patterns and give an early signal of when to trade. Tools like TradingView AI scripts, ChatGPT for backtesting strategies. You can also use AI stock screeners. Some retail traders use AI bots to auto-trade small positions. One reported $300 profit in a week. Again, risky, but powerful. If you approach this carefully, AI can give you an edge in investing, but never rely on it blindly. AI content creation. YouTube, TikTok. The fifth method might be my favorite. AI-powered content creation. This is how I would use it if I were you. I would use ChatGPT for script writing. ElevenLabs for realistic AI voice. Runway AI or Descript for editing. Canva, MidJourney for thumbnails. There are many types of channels, for example, faceless YouTube automation, top 10 lists, AI news, tutorials. TikTok, Instagram, Reels with AI voiceovers plus stock clips. There's a faceless YouTube channel using AI voiceovers and stock footage that's pulling 2M views a month, mostly automated. You can easily monetize YouTube ads and start sponsorships and affiliate marketing. The beauty? You don't need to show your face or hire editors. AI does the heavy lifting. Here is a bonus method that you can use. AI courses and AMP, consulting, teaching AI. If you get good at these tools, people will pay you to teach them. Whether that's an online course, one-on-one consulting, or just paid workshops, education is exploding right now. So, those are 5, plus a bonus, ways to make money with AI in 2025. Some are quick side hustles, some can grow into full-time businesses. The only question is, which one will you try first? Drop your choice in the comments, smash that like button if you found value, and don't forget to subscribe, because next week, I'm breaking down the exact AI tools I use daily to run my channel and business.